Oh no, it's moving. Wow, ang galing naman. Let me see. Hala, ang galing niya, guys. Oh, marunong na siya magsulat. Wow, I'm so proud of you. Let me see. Wow, 5. You do a tracing. Galing ah. How about number 12? Okay. Sulat. Okay, sulat ka nga 12. Circle the 12. Circle. Ang galing. Oh no, it's 20. Where's the 12? Oh no, it's 20. 12 only. Circle the 12. Wow, galing. How about the other 12? Wow, very good. How many 12 are there? Ang galing. You count the flower. Count the flower. Dito, 1, 2,